In this video, I will show you how you can install this backtesting software you are seeing on my screen. It is a totally free software. You can backtest even if you are backtesting 5 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, or daily time frame. Any time frame you want to backtest, you can backtest it completely free, and you can backtest it to any number of years, all for free. So in this video, you can backtest multiple time frames using this software, and the steps that you will use to do that is very tricky. So I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. If you miss the steps, you might not be able to do it effectively. Okay, so it's very important that you follow every step that I am going to outline in this video. You know that if you have never backtested your forex strategy, you do not have a strategy. What you have at best is just an idea. But what makes your strategy to be real is after you have backtested it over different market conditions. It is only then that you can trade it in real life situation. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, my name is David Wekulo, and on this channel I teach you different automated softwares, from how you can backtest your strategies, to how you can create expert advisors, to how you can convert TradingView indicators into strategies. We also teach you fundamental analysis and a lot of things that you need to know in order to become a great trader. Click the subscribe button and be a part of the community. We update you when we are trading, so you can trade along with us.
You can backtest any currency pair. If you look at this area, you will see all the trading instruments, including Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, gold. If you want to backtest crude oil, any instrument you want, US 500, you can scroll down and see all that. And then you can backtest any time frame. If you look at the time frames here, you have 10 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, completely free. And the good thing is that you can backtest to any number of years. Either it is powerful. A lot of people know about JForex, but there are some hidden tools I want to show you. Some of you do not know that you can backtest different time frame. You can even set the trading sessions. You can move from 4-hour time frame to 15 minutes time frame to any time frame at the same time that you are backtesting. So I'm going to spend some time to show you how to use this tool effectively for your backtesting. In fact, at the end of this video, you won't have to pay for any other backtesting software again, and this is absolutely free. Now, there's something I want to tell you as we are going to be backtesting. You cannot be a successful trader if you do not learn how to backtest your strategy. And even those who are already successful in trading, once in a while you will need to still go back when you begin to feel like the strategy is no longer performing the way it should be. You need to go back and refine your strategy. In fact, when Donald Trump came in, a lot of forex traders are beginning to be frustrated because the market seemed not to be behaving the way it was behaving during the 4 years of Joe Biden. So if you feel like your strategy is no longer working the same way, you will need to go back and backtest it. And this period for me, I went into a period of losing streaks. Okay, so I decided to go back and retest my strategy. So that is why I want to share this so that the general public can benefit. I want to show you something. When you log into this software and you want to backtest, some of you will not see the replay feature. This thing you see here, which you will be using for your backtesting. If you did not see it, just click on this area and then you will see what is called replay widget. When you click on the replay widget, this thing will come up here, and with it you can use to backtest it. So it's very important that I show you that first. When you have done that, you can change the candlestick. If you do not like candlestick, if you want to use line chart, area chart, or that, you can change it here. Okay, you can select any time frame that you want to backtest. So I want to show you how to move from 4 hours to 15 minutes, and you can move to any time frame of your choice. And you can even set the trading sessions. If you want to backtest only Asian session, or you like to trade only the London session, I will show you how you can set that time frame that is going to be convenient for you. All right, before you start backtesting, there is something you will do. Go to this replay widget and click on on this arrow that is pointing towards your left hand side. When you click there, it will bring out this calendar and show you when you want to start the backtesting. Let's assume that we want to start in 2024. You write 2024, then you select the month that you want to start the backtesting from, 2024 there. Then you come to this place, you select the month. Let's assume that you want to start backtesting from January 2024, and after that you select the date. This is January 2024. If you take your mouse pointer to this place and scroll down, so you are seeing December 29 here, which was the last trading day of 2023. So the following candle will be entering into 2024. If you want to go as far back as 2020, you can also select the day. You click, and if you check here, this is December 2020. Once you have selected the period, the next thing you can do is to start your backtesting. So we are now on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's assume that we want to take a buy. You can do your analysis anyhow you used to do. You can add any indicator that you want. I am not here to teach you a strategy. I'm only showing you how you can do this backtesting. I assume that you already have your strategy. Okay, if you do not already have your strategy and you want to join the West Forex Academy to learn, you can join it. Since the market has come back to this place, and let me just mark this point. This is the point we are looking at. The market has come back to that trend line, and we are looking to take a buy. And that buy, we want to take it on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can scroll back and go to the 15 minutes time frame. Look at it. It is loading the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. You will see certain things. If you look at it, these things you see on the 15 minutes time frame, they are trading session. It was an indicator I added. So let me just remove that for now, so that when we want to add our trading session, you will know. I added that trading session when I was backtesting. Okay, so you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that this was the trend line we drew on the 4 hours. So you are able to move from one time frame to the other. Okay, so we want to take a buy order. You come to this place. This is the replay feature. If you click on this thing, you will now see the buy and sell tool. We want to take a buy. If you want to take a buy with an instant execution, you can just click there, and the market has already shown you, giving you a buy there, a buy order. And that buy order, if you take your mouse pointer, you can move the take profit to wherever you want it, and also move the stop loss to wherever you want it. Yeah, and if you have done that, you can click play. This is play. Okay, and you will see how the market will do. Okay, now it is playing. We're already in profit, as you can see. Keep on playing. You can click to keep on playing. If you click on this one, you can set your speed here. If you want it to be faster, you can select your speed. If you don't want it to be fast, you can just click there, and it will be playing one candle at a time. If you want to move faster, click on this other one, it will move to the next candle. So you can see that we're already in profit. Remember, we started this analysis on the 4-hour time frame, and now we executed it on the 15 minutes time frame. As the backtesting is going on, if you want to move back to the 4 hours and see what is happening, you can see this was where we executed the trade. The trader is already in profit, and it is going, as you can see. We already hit our take profit on that trade. We executed the trade down there, and the market moved there and hit us in. Now later we will check the result. The market has come back, because I like using the Fibonacci retracement for my trading. So I mark my Fibonacci again. Okay, and if I extend this, see that the market has come back to the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, so let me draw another trend line around the 61.8, around here. This was the place I was supposed to take that trade. Okay, so if I delete the Fibonacci tool and then go back to 15 minutes time frame to see what was happening, you see this was the 61.8 Fibonacci level that we are supposed to take another buy. The market has already started moving, but let me still execute another buy right where it is. So if you see, I just click a buy, and then I can move my stop loss down to where I want it, and move the take profit down to where I want it. I can scroll down like this. Let me extend this take profit, not like how we did the previous time that we did not take enough profit, because I like my take profit to be at least 2 to 3 times of whatever I am risking. Okay, then we can come back to the 4-hour time frame and observe what is going on. We executed that. Okay, let's see how it's going. So the market is already in profit. See, just click playing. The market is playing. We are in profit already. We're in profit already. Remember, it has come back towards our stop loss. This thing hit me out. Okay, let's observe what is going on. The market came back to the trend line right there. Okay, so I think we can still take another trade because it's back towards that trend line that we drew back there. So let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame and observe. Right, so on the 15 minutes time frame, let's take a pending order. So if you want to take a pending order, click there and drag down. So we want to take a buy stop. If you look at it here, if you take it, you see stop order. Okay, so you drag your stop loss to where you want to keep it and drag your take profit to where you want to keep it. So we have our stop loss here. I think I need to widen the stop loss a little, and I need to also take a higher take profit. I go back to 15 to 4-hour time frame. I think it's okay. That's exactly the trade. Let's continue to play it and see. The market is already violating that trend line. It came very close to the stop loss. It has not yet broken it. Now it hit us out and the trend has changed. Okay, so this is how you will do it. Those of you who know market structure, you know that our bias has changed from the buy that we're looking at, and then we'll turn to the sell. And this is how you will do it. Now, let me show you how you can add some of the indicators that you will be using. If you want to be trading only one particular trading session, let's say you trade only New York trading session, or you trade only London session, or you trade London and New York, and you want to set only those trading sessions, go to indicator and add indicator. You can search for any kind of indicator you want. Sessions, you search for sessions, you will see all the trading sessions here. You have trading sessions, you have Tokyo, Sydney, New York, and all that. First, let's just click on the session, click on that, and then click add. Now you see that there are many lines on the screen showing you the different trading sessions. You can tap on the indicator, right click, and go to settings. If you go to the settings, you see you have Sydney session. You go to output, look at the trading sessions that you like using. Like for me, I like London session. I color the London session with white, and the New York, this is the color. So that's why you see only about 2 colors there. Okay, so you can do that and press OK. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, you will observe what I just did there. So you see, if you are a day trader, maybe you trade only London and New York session, this area is London and New York overlap. So this is the area that you can trade. If you are somebody who trade only Asian session, you can go to the settings. This is one of the powerful tool that you can use, and one of the things that using the session can help you is that.
So guys, if you want to learn how to trade forex, I want you to check the description of this video or the pinned comment. You will see a link to chat me directly. In the Wells Forex Academy, we take you a deep dive into forex trading. From technical analysis, we'll go deep into fundamental analysis. Then we look at how you can backtest your strategy, create and optimize your strategy, and go into trading live. All right, so if you want to learn how to trade forex effectively this period, I am giving you this complete course for just $80. So check the description of this video. You will see a link to chat me directly on WhatsApp, and I will be able to attend to you. You can also check the pinned comment for my details to chat me directly.
If you only trade during London and New York session, then when you're backtesting, do not backtest the time zones that you do not trade. Now, you can still backtest even if it is 5 minutes time frame. You can see you can flip from one time frame to the other and do everything. And I can tell you that everything you need is on this place, and it's as good as TradingView. If you go to advanced setting on the indicator, you can decide if you want it to appear on all the time frames or you want it to appear on only one time frame. So if you scroll here, you see that I allowed it to appear on both 15 minutes and 4 hours, but I don't need it on the 4 hours, so I can just click there and press OK. So if I come to my 4-hour time frame, I will not see the indicator. Anytime I go to the 15 minutes time frame, I will see the indicator will apply. So you can do that. You can decide which time frame to show. Another thing, just like you see in your MetaTrader 5, when you execute a trade, it will indicate, the places where you executed those trades. So this tool is very good. So now that we backtested, if you click on this place, see show report, you click there, you will see what happened. So this is the report. We started with a $50,000 trading account, and then you can see we took the first buy position. We made $83. You can see that was the first trade you took. You remember we analyzed that very well. Then this was the second trade. We lost $42. And then this was the third trade that we took. If you scroll down, you will analyze the results, including any kind of information that you want, the overnight rate, how long the trade is, the fees you paid. There is another thing I want to show you. If you come to this software, you can click here and see economic event. If you click on economic event like this, you will see this drop down under. So this drop down shows you the news that happened. So if you're replaying, this is euro US dollar that we were using for our test. So any news that concern the euro or the dollar, as you are backtesting for that particular day, it will be showing here. So if you look at it, as I took my mouse pointer there, you see that this showed non-farm payroll. So NFP, this news was NFP. So you will see the impact of NFP on that day as you were backtesting. If you come to this day, you will see core annual year on year, whatever that news was. This is one of the things. Then crude oil stocks. All this will guide you so that as you're backtesting, how did the news impact on the trading setup? If you observe, all these things are going to help you effectively. Now you might be asking yourself, how do you get this software? Just go to your browser and search for Dukas Corporate Bank SE. Just search for Dukas Corporate. You will come to this place. You see Dukas Corporate Bank SE. Then you click on the Dukas Corporate Bank SE and scroll down to this area where you see forex to CFD trading platforms. You click on that. Okay, when you click, you scroll down, you will see Forex. This is the software I was telling you about. And then you see it on desktop. You see the web version. The one I was using was the desktop version. Okay, if you click on the desktop version, you will be able to install it. You click to install it on Windows, and then you can install it on Mac or Linux. You just click and then it will install for you. When it installs, this is how it will look like. You will see here how to log in. You see live and you see demo. Take your mouse pointer to the demo area, and then you can click here to create a demo account. When you click to create a demo account, it will take you to this place where you will type your name, your last name, email address, then select trading account. When you select trading account, scroll down and press proceed. Once you do that, demo account will be created and the details will be sent to your email. Log onto your email and then you will see the login and the password. If there is any particular thing that you wish to do on this software that you do not understand, feel free to ask a question in the comments and I will be very glad to answer you. Now there is another video I have done. If you are somebody who manages a lot of trading accounts and you are looking for a way to interconnect those accounts and trade from one particular account to the other one, I have done this video to show you how to do that absolutely free. So you can click to watch it.